Number 1. 1978 Chevrolet C10, $5,900 Sierra Vista, Arizona. This 1978 Chevrolet C10 offers a great entry point into the classic truck market with its original 292 inline-six engine mated to a 4-speed manual transmission. While not the most powerful drivetrain, it's known for its durability and simplicity. The truck runs, drives, and stops as expected and comes with like new 31 by 10.5 BFG tires mounted on restored factory sport wheels. Mechanical upgrades include a new fuel pump, spark plugs, fresh oil change, and new carpet, all suggesting the truck has been maintained with care. It has a clean Arizona title and is ideal for a classic enthusiast looking for a solid driver or an easy resto project. Number 2. 1988 Chevrolet Silverado to 500 HD 4x4, $4,900 Lake Balboa, California, offered by a longtime owner of over a decade. This 1988 Silverado to 50 HD 3/4-ton extended cab long bed is a high-mileage workhorse with 270,000 miles. However, both the engine and transmission have been replaced in recent years. Engine rebuilt at 220,000 and transmission at 250,000. The 5.7-liter V8 paired with overdrive automatic transmission delivers solid performance. Equipped with working AC, a heater, clean California title, recent smog certification, and meticulous maintenance records, this truck is ready for daily use or light restoration. Its reliability and documentation make it a strong value. Number 3. 1980 to GMC C10 SWB, $9,000 Dallas, Texas. This short wheelbase 1980 to GMC C10 is a well-equipped project with a 350 V8 and 4-speed manual transmission. Though the odometer has rolled over, the truck includes many newly replaced front-end components, control arms, shocks, tie rods, and more, along with a new drive shaft. Factory air conditioning is present but not functioning. This pickup comes with a clean Texas title and extra parts, offering a promising canvas for restoration. Its desirable SWB layout and manual transmission appeals strongly to collectors and DIY builders. Number 4. 1986 Chevrolet 3/4-ton 4x4, $4,000 St. Michael, Minnesota, with a 350 cubic inch engine and 700R for automatic transmission. This 1986 4x4 square body is a running and driving example of an increasingly rare configuration. It starts even in cold Minnesota weather, indicating mechanical soundness. Despite rust on the fenders and a leaking passenger side tank, it still has a clean title and recent engine rebuild. This is a rough but honest example, ideal for a buyer seeking a functional winter truck or full restoration platform. Number 5. 1986 Ford F-150 $2,000 Albuquerque, New Mexico, a true gamble. This 1986 Ford F-150 is offered as is with no keys and no verifiable mileage. It was acquired via storage auction and comes with a clean New Mexico title. While it may hold some value in parts or as a base for a rebuild, this vehicle is best suited for experienced restorers or those needing a donor truck. At only $2,000, it presents a low-risk entry into the Ford square body market for those up to the challenge. Number 6. 1988 Volkswagen Synchro Doka Subaru conversion. $325 Berkeley, California. This is not a typo. This legendary 1988 VW Transporter double cab Synchro is listed at only $325, likely a placeholder price. It features a Subaru 2.5-liter boxer engine swap with a custom harness, stainless header, and high torque starter. With a rebuilt 5-speed transmission and rear locking differential, this rare for WD Doka is mechanically solid. New CV axles, clutch, and 16-inch Momo wheels with BFG all-terrain tires complete the off-road ready package. These trucks are highly collectible, and this well-modified example is a gem for VW and overlanding enthusiasts alike. Number 7. 1985 Toyota Pickup. $3,300 Flagstaff, Arizona. Powered by the legendary 2.4-liter to 2R inline-4 and backed by a 5-speed manual, this 1985 Toyota Extra Cab is a high-mileage survivor with over 315,000 miles. Known for their reliability, these trucks are prized for off-road builds and restoration. Despite rust at the bed seam and tailgate, it runs well and maintains a clean Arizona title. Its affordability and reputation make it a great candidate for budget-conscious enthusiasts. Number 8. 1988 Ford F-150 for WD $9,500 Albany, Oregon. This original 1988 Ford F-150 for WD has only 140,000 miles and is reported to run strong with an automatic transmission and dual fuel tanks. While listed in fair condition, it is complete and roadworthy with a clean Oregon title. Its solid drivetrain and originality offer a great base for a restoration or daily classic truck. Number 9. 1980 Chevrolet K20, $7,000 North Laredo, Texas. A project-grade 1980 Chevrolet K20 Scottsdale. This truck is equipped with a 350 V8, 4-speed manual, and fresh wheels, calipers, gas tank, and tires. While it runs and drives, it's not yet roadworthy, making it ideal for trailering and further work. Its body is reportedly straight and ready for paint. For $7,000, it's a solid investment for classic 4x4 fans looking to complete a restoration. Number 10. 1985 Chevrolet 1/2-ton pickup, $9,750 Kansas City, Missouri. This meticulously refreshed 1985 Chevrolet 1/2-ton boasts a brand new 350 crate engine and rebuilt turbo 350 transmission. All major components, starter, alternator, belts, hoses, and more have been replaced. It features a full dual exhaust, restored bench seat, new dash and windshield, and new brakes and tires. With only 2,734 miles on all upgrades and 80,640 original miles on the chassis, this Kansas truck represents an exceptional value for those seeking a nearly turnkey square body. Number 11. 1980 for Chevrolet Silverado 4x4, $9,900 Riverside, California, one owner, original survivor. This 1980 Chevrolet Silverado Shortbed 4x4 has just 80,000 miles. Powered by a fuel-injected 305 V8 and automatic transmission, it's equipped with Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and a touchscreen radio. The manual windows and locks preserve its original charm. Mechanically well-maintained with recent upgrades, this truck is extremely clean and represents a top-tier example of a California-kept classic. Number 12. 1979 Chevrolet Shortbed Bonanza, $5,800 Sunrise Beach, Missouri. This 1979 Chevrolet Bonanza Shortbed remains largely original and features a 250 inline-six engine with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. While it runs and drives, rust is present on the usual problem areas and the title is branded salvage due to previous abandonment. Nonetheless, it retains factory air conditioning, power steering, and near-new tires. With its natural patina and originality, it serves as a solid platform for restoration or patina preservation. Number 13. 1979 Dodge W150 Power Wagon, $9,000 Salmon Creek, Washington. A nostalgic 1979 Dodge Power Wagon built as a fun parts runner, this W150 has seen extensive mechanical maintenance, new fluids, bearings, U-joints, and more. With its BFG all-terrains, KC lights, quad headlights, and throwback interior details including a Bigfoot gas pedal, this truck oozes vintage charm. It's mechanically sound, has dual fuel tanks, and comes with a clean Washington title. A great buy for a Mopar truck lover looking for a classic with personality.